How do we measure AI's impact on code quality? Imagine trying to figure out if a new tool makes your work better or just more complicated. That's what measuring AI's impact on code quality is all about. When developers use AI to help write, review, or improve code, we need clear ways to see if it really helps. First, we look at how correct and reliable the code is. If AI suggests code that runs without bugs or errors, that's a good sign. We check this by running tests and keeping track of how many bugs appear in AI-generated code. Next, we examine the complexity of the code. This is called cyclomatic complexity, which counts the different paths through the code. Lower numbers mean simpler, easier to maintain code. If AI helps reduce this complexity, it's a positive impact. We also measure if the code has duplicated sections. Repeated code makes maintenance harder. Sometimes AI can accidentally add more duplicates, so tracking this helps us see if AI is making the code more modular or messier. Readability and maintainability are key too. We look for long functions, inconsistent style, or confusing naming. Better, clearer code means AI is helping developers write more understandable code. Performance metrics are important as well. We check how fast the code runs and how much memory it uses. If AI helps optimize these, the code is more efficient. Test coverage is another factor. We want to see if AI helps produce code that can be easily tested with automated tools. More coverage usually means better quality. Extensibility, or how easily new features can be added, is also checked. Good design allows changes without breaking the system, and AI can influence this. Documentation quality is often overlooked but is vital for long-term work. Well-documented AI-generated code makes future updates easier. But measuring these metrics alone isn't enough. We also gather data on how developers use AI tools, how often suggestions are accepted, how much code is produced with AI help, and how it affects workflow. Monitoring pull request times, change failure rates, and overall productivity gives us a clearer picture of AI's impact. Developer feedback from surveys helps us understand their confidence and satisfaction with AI suggestions. Human code reviews remain as essential to catch things AI might miss, like naming conventions or design choices. When AI is used for refactoring or improving code, these measurements tell us if it makes the code cleaner, faster, and easier to maintain. They also help identify if AI introduces new issues, like more duplicated code or increased complexity. By keeping an eye on these metrics, teams can see how well AI tools fit into their development process. In the end, measuring AI's effect on code quality is about combining automated data, workflow insights, and human judgment. This balanced approach helps developers learn how to best use AI to write better, more reliable code every day.